I never really thought guinea pigs were the right pet for me until I started researching them, and the more I learned, the more curious I became. Ownership of guinea pigs has changed a lot over the years, especially since I was a kid, where people basically treated them like giant hamsters. But with everything we now know about them and everything I found out, they turned out to be perfect for me. My family and I have now welcomed two little ladies named Maple and Tilly into our home, and we are having a blast with them already. The first thing I learned about, and this one is so important, is that they should not actually live alone at all. They are herd animals, and they really need at least one buddy. And if you have a bonded pair, watching them interact is so sweet and enjoyable and fulfilling. It can also be quite hilarious. Another thing that can be totally underestimated is their cage size. Everything they sell at the pet store is way too small. They need a 4-foot by 2-foot minimum size space. They get the zoomies. They like to run. They like to explore. They like different little places to hide. And they can't do that in a glorified hamster cage. And then there's the hay situation. They need this 24/7 unlimited access. So we're talking hanging hay feeders. We're talking a hay box that they will eat, sleep, and poop in. Plus, you'll need to find somewhere cool and dry to store all this hay in your home. Also, you want to make sure you're not allergic to the hay. I found out the hard way that me and Timothy Hay don't get along. Luckily, there was another option called orchard grass that still works for my piggies and works much better for my allergies personally. Maybe the biggest surprise was their dramatic personalities. They are screaming for veggies, squeaking when I enter their space, excited to see me, their bringer of food. They love a routine, and they are just so much fun to interact with. And seeing the differences between my two little ladies is fascinating. We are watching their personalities emerge before us every day. Lastly, I'm going to give a little bit of a reality check because these are definitely long-term commitment pets. They can live 5 to 8 years and they need daily care routines, proper diets, exotic vets, cage cleaning, hay refills, veggie prep. There's honestly a lot more to guinea pig care than people realize at first glance. If you're considering getting some of these fluffy personality packed potatoes with legs, please check out my full guide page linked below, complete with a shopping list of everything I'd recommend to start out and a ton of information I gathered from my research. It's all figured out for you right there. If you found this informative or helpful, please consider liking and subscribing for more content like this. Who knows what I'll investigate next?